Updating your cursor size can make navigation much easier, whether you need better visibility for screen recording or just want to reduce eye strain. So here is the most efficient way to do it through the Windows settings. Now head to the search icon on the bottom of the screen and type Control Panel. And click on the Control Panel. In the search bar at the top right of the Control Panel, you need to type mouse and hit enter. So under the mouse, you need to click on the change how the mouse pointer looks. Click on that. So in the pointer tabs, you need to click on the scheme, and here you can select the window black large system scheme, and you can also choose the extra large system scheme Windows default, and your cursor will turn to the white. When you apply it, you can see that my mouse is get white. Here is the Windows inverted extra large system schemes, and here you can see that this has been turned into the black again. This is another mouse. You can apply it. It has been turned to the white. So these are the some extra large, you can use it for your usage. So once you are satisfied with the large system scheme, you need to click on the apply and click OK. Another way is that you need to click on the search icon and type mouse settings, and on the right side adjust mouse and cursor size, click on that, and here you can change the pointer size and color. When you increase the size, you will see that the cursor size is increasing like this one. So for better visibility, you can select 2 or 3 size, which is much better. So you can also change the color, like here. This is the orange pink. This is the purple. So it's up to you. So close it, and this way you can change the cursor size in laptop. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.